Okay, class, let's start with the question answers. I'm just sharing my screen. Give me a minute. And then we'll start with the question answers. Discussion, and you have to complete them and submit. Just a
Until when
minute.
we can send it?
Siddharth, let me discuss. I have not given the date now. Let's first discuss and then see. Please do not unmute yourself now. Without the permission, you are asking questions. Siddharth, mute yourself. All right. Let's see RTCs. You know the rules, how to answer. Fine. Yes, it is difficult, Rajay, but not impossible. We will prepare well and we will succeed. Who said these? Who said this and to whom? Tavishi?
Ma'am, Tanaji to Shivaji.
Excellent. Tanaji to Shivaji. What does this tell you about the speaker? What is the character sketch? What is the characteristic you get to know from this line about the speaker? Shifa,
Excuse,
do
ma'am,
not
this
speak
line
in
tells us that,
between. Just wait, बच्चों
ma'am,
से
this,
Tavishi, एक minute. Daksh, oh sorry, Tavishi and Daksh, mute yourself. Do not interrupt in between. Yes, Tavishi, answer, बच्चे. Oh, Shifa,
ma'am,
answer. Yes, Shifa,
yes, ma'am.
answer.
Ma'am, this line tells us that Tanaji is a very confidential person.
Confidential or confident? Confidential
Sorry, ma'am.
means secret. Yes,
Sorry, ma'am.
this line tells us that the speaker was confident, right? He was brave and confident. Can we use two characteristics, confident and brave? Fine. What did it refer to? How did they prepare to do the task? What was it? What did it refer to, Daksh?
It refers to the fort of Uday Singh. They prepared to uh, to get on the south wall of the fort and climb towards the fort.
And where does it written that it was south wall? It was west. Dags do not change. Okay, very good. What did it refer to? It refers to the task of recapturing the Kodana fort. It refers to the recapturing of Kodana fort, and they prepare secretly. This is asking how. How did they prepare? They prepared secretly to do the task. Right? Any doubt till here in question number B, if first part of RTC? Do you have any doubts, anyone? No, just let me see the chat box. Okay. A part, Shweta, Tanaji said this to Shivaji.
Ma'am,
Yes, Siddharth. And Siddharth, you cannot speak in the class like this. You are aware of it.
ma'am, is this
No, Siddharth, you're not allowed. You have to write your name in the chat box. Follow the rules. This tell this tells us that the speaker was brave and confident, Lavina. That the speaker was confident and brave. It refers to the recapturing of Kodana fort, and they prepared secretly for the task. I've repeated all the answers again. Yes, Siddharth, this is a real story. Okay. There is no place for superstition in a soldier's life. When did the speaker say this? Lakshay?
Ma'am, the speaker said this when the Yashwantis was unfortunately lost his grip.
Excellent. The speaker said, we have did in the question. We are doing tenses in grammar. Please follow them. Did means answer should be in past tense. So the speaker said this when Yashwati lost her grip of the wall. Excellent answer. Why, according to the speaker, was there no place for superstition in the soldier's life? Nikunj?
According to the speaker, he said it because the soldier may
Yes, yes, you're going in a right direction. Speak the answer.
because the soldier did not say this.
No, the question,
Meant
hmm. Shiva,
he
please
must
wait. I've seen your name.
have
Yes, very good. He must have
he
courage.
he must
And
faith.
excellent. See, according to the speaker, there was no place for superstition in the soldier's life because soldiers must have faith in themselves and they have to be brave, right? The soldiers cannot be believing in this superstition. There is no place because they are brave. They have to have the faith in themselves. What does this tell you about the speaker and how did the soldiers feel on hearing this? Yes, Lakshay, you can write this also for B part. Lakshay says, because a soldier has to help other people, so they cannot lose the hope. Excellent. Okay, what does this tell you about the speaker? Shifa?
Ma'am, I do not know the answer of this question.
All right. Lakshay?
Ma'am, this tell about the speaker that he is brave and he is not losing his hope.
Excellent. Again, the same thing. Like in the first, we said that the soldiers, sorry, that the soldiers must have the faith in themselves. So this is telling about the speaker that the speaker is confident in himself. Fine, he is confident. He has full faith in himself, and the speaker and the soldiers also got the courage. After hearing this, they also got the courage.
Correct.
Any doubt in RTC? Anyone? Write your name in the chat box if you have doubt. Anyone, any doubt? Okay then. Let's move further. It's a very simple chapter we have done in detail, so this is very clear. Siddharth, any doubt, bache? Okay then. What what was Yashwanti's role in the plan, Tavishi?
Ma'am, Yashwanti's role in the plan was to scale the wall.
To scale and grip at the top of the wall so that Tanaji can climb up. Please see this is answer in detail. You cannot answer in just one sentence. You have to explain. See, if we see here, see, it is that the role of Tanaji, so the role of Yashwanti was that the rope has to be tied on her neck and then, no, it's here. The role of Yashwanti was that they have to scale the wall, and she will grip the wall so that Tanaji can climb up the wall. Fine. Just explain a little bit. Answer is absolutely correct, Avishai. Just explain. Okay. Second, what was the plan once Tanaji had climbed the ramparts? What was the plan that will be executed once he has climbed? Nikunj?
The plan after the climbing of the ramparts are the Tanaji
Was,
will
bache,
tie rope.
was, were. Plan.
Tanaji
Hmm.
was Tanaji tied rope on the walls on the ramparts
Hmm.
to uh, other soldiers climb on the
Ex-
ramparts
Excellent. See,
for the attack.
there were two plans. First, the Tanaji once you will write it like this. The plan once Tanaji had climbed the rampart, the plan was as follows. Okay, the following was the plan. Then first, that he will attach other ropes so that the soldiers can climb quietly, and second, they have to kill the guards quietly. Okay, there are two plans. First, they have to climb the rope quietly, climb the wall through the ropes quietly, and second, they have to kill the guards present at the ramparts. Fine. Did Tanaji survive the battle? What happened? Daksh? Daksh?
Ma'am, I can't hear you because of network problem. Can you speak the question again?
Three. Question number 3. Why did Tanaji survive the battle? What happened?
No, Tanaji
No.
can't survive the battle
Mhm.
af- after the death. And
What happened? It is asking what happened with Tanaji. Not after the battle. What happened to Tanaji?
the Tanaji dies.
Okay, you will say Tanaji did not survive the battle. He was killed in the fight during with Uday Singh. Okay, Uday Singh have wounded him severely and he was not able to survive the battle.
Okay.
Surya, no Nikun, Suryaji has not killed him. Uday Singh has killed him. Fine, Suryaji was a member of Tanaji only. Why will he kill him? Okay. What did Suryaji do when he saw Tanaji lying in a pool of blood? What did he do? Shifa?
Ma'am, when Suryaji saw Tanaji lying in a pool of blood, he was very confident and courageous that he will complete the task of Tanaji that he has said to Suryaji, and now he will won the battle by killing all the soldiers.
Excellent, Shifa. Very good. So Suryaji firstly became angry and upset. Suryaji became angry and upset when he saw Tanaji lying in a pool of blood. Then he decided to complete the task set up by Tanaji to won the battle. Clear everyone? Any doubt in RTC or answer in detail? Anyone any doubt in this? Okay. Think and answer only question number 1 will do in the notebook. Write the character sketch of Tanaji. What you can write about Tanaji? Brave. We all know brave, confident, you know, what we say. What else? Courageous. Very good, Shifa. And you have to tell the examples also why he was courageous, good person. What else? Use more adjectives. And this answer should be in at least 70 to 80 words. Brave, courageous, supportive, good leader. He was a great leader. How can you tell that he was a great leader? Yes, Lakshay, great leader, as he was the one to climb the rampart first and he did not lose his faith when Yashwanti was not able to grip the wall. Okay? And he was able to maintain the hope in the soldiers by encouraging them. Right? Like this, you have to write the character sketch. Yes, Lakshay, what is your doubt, Bacha?
Ma'am, in question number C3, third part, ma'am, we have to write the Tanajis about that.
What
How did
happened? How
Tanaji
did?
died?
Yes, you have to tell that also. What happened and what happened, you have to tell how he died.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt, anyone? No, Mehak, this week we are not doing any vocabulary. Positive person, yes, Shifa, you can write that. No dictations and no vocabulary for this week. So this is very small. Oh yes, before I forget, everyone, Jhalak, happy birthday, bache, everyone. Please wish Jhalak a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jhalak.
Happy birthday, Jhalak. Thank
Happy
you.
Birthday, Jhalak.
birthday.
Thank you.
All right,
Happy birthday,
everyone.
Jhalak.
All right, everyone. You have to do question number B and C, entire question B and C in your notebook, and D only question number 1. Next week, Vashika, next week will start.
Ma'am, please show us the compliance of work.
Just give me a minute, I'll show. The recording of this meeting will be uploaded later in the evening. As you must have heard the bell, I am in school today, so I won't be able to upload it right now, but I will upload it after, 4 or at 4, nearly at 4. You can see the compliance, not a very good one going on. Especially for Vashika, Vaibhav, Tejaswa, Sahil, Sanvi, Nitin, Nitesh, Navya, Lavish, Karthik, Kashish. Please start sending your work. Everything is done in the class. Every question is being discussed in the class. So okay, class. Very good question. You want to submit the question answers today or by tomorrow? Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, today or tomorrow. Tomorrow. If you are done, you can
Tomorrow.
send me today also. Matlab I'm deciding for
Ma'am,
the
today.
deadline.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Let's
Ma'am,
vote
today.
on the chat.
Ma'am,
Let's
today.
vote
Ma'am,
on
Ma'am,
the
tomorrow.
chat.
today.
Tomorrow.
Today.
Yes,
Tomorrow.
class.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Very bad, 60. Very bad. All right. So majority says tomorrow. You can submit it today. If you are done, that's very good. Submit as soon as you are done with your work. But the deadline is tomorrow evening. Let's say 6 p.m. Before 6 p.m. you have to submit me your work by tomorrow. Fine. A little bit of question answers. We have discussed everything. If you have any difficulty, you can check the recording through Atlantic. Right? Any doubt, anyone? And since the exams are going on, I'll not allow you to send the work in the group. Okay? All right. Yes, Tavishi.
Ma'am, we have to submit this chapter on WhatsApp or Atlantic.
What's your WhatsApp? WhatsApp me.
Okay.
Yes, Tejaswa?
Ma'am, we have to send on group.
No, bache, you have to WhatsApp me personally with your names. All right, okay. Let's give one competition. Let's take one competition so that you all do the work. The first child of 6A, the first child who will send me the work with the correct answers, I will send his or her PDF on the group to show the entire class that this is how the work is done. Only one. So you have to be quick, neat, and correct. Ready for the challenge, everyone? You have to be quick, neat, and correct. Fine? All right. Take the rest. Prepare yourself for the next classes. Take good care of yourself. Have a nice day, and we'll meet on Monday.
Bye,
na?
ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.